Hello my dear sweetheart subscribers, welcome to my channel GL Love Manwa. Just Friend, Chapter 5. Welcome. I am looking for a ring. Okay, what would you like to see mom? I need a ring for a couple. Okay, this way please. This is also very popular. Although I can't propose yet, it should be fine to give her a ring. This time we can look forward to it. Song Hye-yoon has seemed to have changed her mind. If I show her this ring, she will know how I truly feel. I want this. What will Hye-yoon's reaction be when she receives this? Buy more clothes when the time comes. Pack the important things first. Books. That's right. They're anything massing quickly. It seems that there is nothing else to take. Later only used a satchel. Cha Manju gave me all of these. I'll just return these to the original owner. But why does that seem bad? Ring surprise. Shin Seora called ring. Hello, Seonbae. I took the bus. Are you ready? Sorry, I might be a little late. You go in first. Tick-tock. Okay, is that Waka Waka restaurant? Grab. Yes, I will go immediately. Is it okay to only eat these? Yes. 1 chicken per person. And it's the fried chicken that you bought me, Tilda. Thank you. Wow. In fact, you are eating the expensive ones. Okay, as much as you like. Chew. Is that all of your stuff? Well, it's all sorted. Why is there so little luggage? It's better to take less. I'll just buy what I need. Open. Close. Why did I bring this? Glance. Is that a photo album? I miss you. I want to see. No, it's not. I want to see photos of Seonbae. I want to see. Wait a minute. What? How are you so fit? It is thanks to exercise. I'm not complimenting you. I'm looking forward to it. Oh, is this child Seonbae? Whisper. Yes, this is a few years old. Badam. Whisper. Yes, this is a few years old. So cute. This person is. Wait a minute. Don't look. Snatch. You two have been familiar since childhood. I did not say Tati grew up with the support of Cha Manju's father. Yeah, am I wrong? Wish. Your face looks more and more happy. Seonbae, do you really hate this person? So have you figured out where you are going to live? Shut. The chairwoman said she would find me an apartment. What can a simple bata know? That chairwoman, how do you know her? Didn't I tell you? She is Cha Manju's cousin. She is. I didn't know. Well, put it this way. Puff what puff? Cousins. They look a bit alike. Seonbae, I'm actually a little worried. Shift. There is no guarantee that the operation will be successful. Is it really okay living as a beta? It goes without saying I feel more comfortable as a beta. What if she still likes you after you become a beta? What will you do? Cha Manju's father wouldn't leave it alone. But bring Song Hye-yoon to the company tomorrow at 2. The surgery date has been set. Open raise. You can sit down again. She has been taking the medicine regularly, so the pheromone levels have decreased. Because it is recessive, the effect appears even quicker. And the side effects. There have been no problems in clinical trials. Touch. When Hye-yoon comes out of the exam, tell her to sign this consent form. Glance. What? Do you have something to say? Director, you are an alpha, right? Like Cha Manju. We are not exactly the same. She is dominant and I am recessive. Alphas are also divided into types. Yes, although the difference is not as great as before. But what exactly are alphas and omegas? Well, opposites with the same type of pheromone. I do not mean a theoretical explanation. Grumble. How else can it be explained? I've heard that betas sometimes talk about destiny or something like that. Chuckle. Do you also believe in those things? What's wrong with that? Look away. PFFT. Ugh, what is so funny? Hannah. Turn. To mark a person and spend the rest of your life with them. That is a very inefficient type of relationship. It is precisely because of that unscientific aspect that it sounds like destiny. Once marked, alphas and omegas cannot survive a heat cycle without their mates. Even if your feelings change, the marking cannot be undone. They can never part. Does that sound like a romantic story to you? And you say that even though you are alpha. She seemed very confident as an alpha before. Only by recognizing this can someone find a suitable partner. A suitable partner. It is better to focus on the genetic part instead of waiting for a love that can change at any moment. Why do you think Cha Manju's father hates Song Hye-yoon? The answer is simple. It's because she is a recessive omega. Even in heat, it is difficult to get pregnant. Yeah, that's what Hye-yoon Sanbei told me. But is that really the reason? Manju doesn't care, but that's because she's a dominant alpha. Are recessive alphas similar to omegas? In a way, pregnancy is difficult for them too. My sister is also a recessive omega, but she has never told me about it. Either way, this is my family's problem. We cannot choose our partners just like that. Stand. I don't think it's a problem for your sister. When Song Hye-yoon comes back, tell her to sign this. Sometimes I think that destiny does exist. Don't you think Manju Sanbei thinks so too? That Hye-yoon Sanbei is her destiny. What do you think, director? What are you talking about? Huh? Do you think Manju Sanbei will give up just because Hye-yoon Sanbei is a beta? I still remember the look she had when I met her. I think it's different from what Hye-yoon Sanbei says. It seems that she really likes. What if Manju Sanbei doesn't give up? How could an alpha like a beta? Huh, but it wasn't because of the pheromones that she liked her. What? I have heard that pheromones are only a means of knowing what the other feels. I can't argue with that. If that person still likes Hye-yoon Sanbei, squeeze. What will happen then? I woke up, Miss CP. Hye-yoon went to class. By the way, when should I give her the ring? Maybe I should take her to a nice restaurant and give it to her there. Miss. Yes. This came in the mail. I think the lady should see it. Hesitant. Freeze. What is this? So the change in attitude lately, was it because of this? The number you called is not available. Was she trying to fool me? Thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.